Hello everyone, I'm going to stop in and make a quick video for you guys on something that I seen that I really wanted to try. I got this at Dollar Tree, and I also got this sticker. So I'm going to stick the sticker on here, and then we are going to make a little formula, witch's formula, if that's what you want to call it. I'm not sure, but I thought it was pretty cool. So I'm going to mix it in the water bottle. I think that looks so cool when you're done. Now this is some kind of dust. I'm not sure what it's called, but you use this for your desserts, your actual real desserts, to give it like shine. Like a cool, that looks really cool. So we're going to pour that in here. I think before we pour this in here, we're going to let it sit a couple minutes on the side, because I don't want it to I don't want to go to pour it in here and I didn't get my sticker on yet. So what we're gonna do is, now that I messed with this food coloring, because I'm very messy, so I can take my gloves off, and we're gonna stick this sticker on our little bottle here. They have all kind of these cool little stickers that you can stick on a cup, on a bottle, on whatever you want at Dollar Tree. And I think they are so cool. So I think you just pull this off. I never done this, guys. And then I think you just stick it on. You just stick it on. Just hold it down a couple minutes, make sure it's like really stuck on there. Trying to make sure it's really stuck. That is so cool. Look at that. That is really cool. Okay, so we're gonna go back to this. Oh, wait, I have to pour this. Let's pour this little bit in here first. Now we're going to pour. I'm going to move this way, guys, because I don't want to make a mess. Hold up. Give it a good shake. It's like the stuff is stuck at the bottom. That is so cool. Now, and just take this and stick it on, and there you go. Look how pretty that is. See, that was quick and easy, and they have a whole bunch of these at Dollar Tree, and they have a whole bunch of different stickers you can stick them on. That looks really cool. You see the way it looks, the water looks. See, that was quick and easy. And we have a little extra for the next bottle. But I really like that. That's really nice. And you see how easy it was to stick that sticker right on the bottle? That's pretty cool. So there you go, guys. We did a witch's let's say spell formula. I don't know what you want to call it, but I think that's pretty cool. And you just keep mixing it. That way your mixer can keep getting better and better and better. Look at that. That is so cool. See how it looks? That is really cool. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching this very quick video. That was really cool. Thank you, guys. See you in my next one.